for DIY enthusiasts who tackle painting projects from time to time, I'd like to introduce 3 versatile spray systems that can handle wall paint as well as varnishes and wood stains. Let's start with this device here. This is the W590 Flexio, and it's a compact, handheld, and flexible paint spray system. And for those who want even more flexibility, particularly for outdoor use, the W600 is the choice. As you can see, it is battery powered, so you're not restricted. Here we have the third device, the W690, which allows for fatigue-free working as the turbine is separate from the paint reservoir. And for wall paint, the W690 offers a larger paint reservoir, allowing you to spray for longer without stopping your work. For universal use for medium to large renovation and decoration work, especially for larger wall painting projects, I recommend these 2 devices. The W950 Flexio is a device with HVLP technology. This technology is characterized by an adjustable spray jet and therefore excellent control when applying paint. With direct suction, you can suck in your wall paint directly from the paint bucket without stopping your work. The integrated lance provides even more flexibility. With this, you can even spray high ceilings and walls without a ladder. This is really practical and very easy to use. The W950 Flexio also has a self-cleaning function, which is sure to be appreciated, so cleaning the appliance is also quick and easy. The Control 150M is an airless sprayer and is a little more expensive, but it offers a higher paint flow rate. This means that if you have larger renovation projects involving wall paint, varnishes or stains, you can work even faster with this. The Control 150M also has a top-loading hopper. That's this part here, so you can pour your material straight in. Another advantage is the lightweight airless spray gun, which helps ensure fatigue-free paint application. Are you a DIY enthusiast who values professional quality and regularly takes on larger renovation projects? Or do you want to give your home a completely fresh coat of paint? Then Master Painter Andy will now introduce 2 all-round devices for this.
Exactly, Eva. We have 2 airless devices here, both of which have direct suction from the original container. They are suitable for use on large projects with emulsion or paint and low viscosity materials such as primers and varnish.
Great, that means I don't have to decant anything, but can start straight from the bucket or container depending on what I have.
Correct, suction hose in the bucket and off we go.
And is this the suction hose?
Exactly, that's the hose. We can simply insert it into the original container and then we can get started.
Yes, the devices are different sizes. Perhaps you could tell us something about both devices and how they differ.
The Control Pro 250M allows you to get started straight away with versatile applications as it comes complete with interchangeable tips for both paints and emulsions included in the scope of delivery.
Okay, so you don't have to buy anything extra.
Exactly.
You have the complete package and can get started.
Open the box, take out the machine and let's go.
Okay, great. And this device is much bigger and probably has more power, but you can't get started straight away, or does it actually come with almost everything?
Not quite. I'll get to that in a moment, because this machine is even more powerful. It's the Power Painter 90. That means you can work with high viscosity, for example, thicker materials, and also have a higher flow rate. So the airless sprayer is designed for everyday use and can be tailored more precisely to the material thanks to a wide range of nozzles.
Okay, so that's for the professional and for the ambitious DIYer?
Yes, the Power Painter 90 is just a classic entry-level device for us professionals.
Okay, but if I have a big project as a DIY enthusiast and I'm confident about it, then I also have a powerful device with a large selection of tips, but I would buy them separately depending on which products I'm processing.
Exactly. If you have a bigger project and want to apply a variety of different products, then I would definitely choose this option.
Okay, so that would be more for the small projects and that?
Both are for large projects, but if you have regular projects, then I would use this one. If you just have a project once in a while, then that one.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.